Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro or the Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay, and this time we are going to check on, of course, the watch faces. Can we add watch faces for the Smart Band? Let's try and let's see. Okay, so far it has several preloaded watch faces for this device. Just long press on the watch face and you can select at least several watch faces here preloaded. We have one, we have two here, three, four, okay, five. We have at least five watch faces available for the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Okay, but before we proceed on downloading watch faces, please drop a comment below if you have any queries regarding this demo or this device. Okay, we already paired it with the Mi Fitness app. Okay, so let's check here on the bottom part. Just tap on your device here, and as you can see here, we have band displays. Just tap on it. Okay, and you will see the default or preloaded watch faces here. We have at least 5. Okay, if you want to download additional watch faces, just tap on online. Okay, so far the UI here for the Mi Fitness is very simple, and seems like we don't have, I don't know, seems like we don't have a custom watch face here. Okay, let's try on more. Okay, so we have several watch faces here. From digital, do we have analog? Okay, let's see. So we also do have some analog watch faces here. Okay, so let's go for digital. Okay, let's try this one, editor's pick. Okay, seems like we do have a very limited watch faces so far for the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Okay, nothing interesting for this one, I don't like. Okay, let's go here for the new section. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so very limited in options here, unlike the Huawei Band 7. Okay, we do have the always on displays default here or backup for this watch face. Okay, so let's try 2.16 MB. To use always on display on your wearable device, go to settings, display, turn on always on display. So the always on display of this one is this. Okay, you can set it here. Okay, on the settings. Okay, display here. So you can set it here, the always on display all day. Okay, this will affect battery life. Continue. Okay, let's check later on if it works. Okay, but first let's download this watch face. Okay, installing update. Okay, hopefully Xiaomi will update the collection of watch faces here, that users can add their own watch face, custom watch face, submit their own designs, okay, in the Xiaomi watch face repository. So we do hope that they will add an update for this. If they're just offering these few watch faces for the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, okay, users especially who love to customize their watch face will be disappointed, and instead of buying this new fitness tracker, they might choose the other products or other smart band, okay, instead of the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Okay, so let's wait. 83%, 85. Okay, so it takes time. Hopefully we can download it and successfully install in our wearable. Okay, so it is pushed directly to our smart band, as you can see here. Looking good with a lot of information on the watch face here. We have the battery, we have the steps, and the heart rate. Okay, the calories here we also do have. Okay, what else? Let's see if it's added to our local here. So as you can see here, okay, so this is the default. Okay, always on display for the watch face. Very good. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, how about this one? Seems like this one looks premium. Okay, mechanical. Okay, so we don't have a default. Okay, always on display for the watch face. How about this one? Let's see. Okay, how about the others here? Okay, oh, we do have a custom watch face here. Okay, my mistake. Seems like we do have one. Let's try. Okay, to be able to select photos, you won't be able to use this service unless you grant required permission. So allow it. Okay, so we already allow it. Let's try custom watch face. Hopefully it works. Let's just pick this one just for the demo. Continue. Okay, let's try. Okay, so this one, like this one, then apply. Okay, so we do have a custom watch face for the Xiaomi or Xiaomi Mi Band 7 Pro. Okay, or the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Okay, so let's wait. Let's try. Okay, so this is the default. Okay, or the always on display here. What if we use the smart custom always on display all day? How about the smart here? Also have a schedule. Okay, so let's wait first for the custom watch face here. Okay, so it has already, you do have, oh, it did not work. Let's see. Okay, did it work, our custom watch face? Okay, so it works. Nice. So we do have a custom watch face. Only available for the, here we have it here, for the digital watch faces. Okay, so how about this one? Okay, let's try. Okay, so it's already updating. So we do have the default here. Okay, always display on. So it is much simpler and darker. This is the smart option. Let's check for this one. Okay, I'm confused with the always on display. Does all of the watch face here have their own custom or have their own always on display? Okay, let's check. Again, 92%, 94, 95. Okay, applied successfully. Okay, so this one, it has its own design for always on display. Okay, how about this one? So this is the default always on display. So not all, I think. So this one, it has its own also. Okay, most of the digital watch faces here have their own. So this one doesn't have their own always on display. Maybe it uses the default always on display for the Xiaomi Mi Band Pro. Okay, So this one doesn't have its own. Okay, so this one, it has its own always on display. Okay, so that's it for the watch faces. Okay, custom watch face we do have. Okay, and we also have several downloadable watch faces. Check if the watch face has its own always on display, and decide whether you like it or not. So this one, very simple. Okay, so this one doesn't have an always on display support. Okay, so this one, oh, different, as you can see here, different always on display, much darker. Okay, this one, simple design. Okay, so that's it for the watch faces. Okay, custom watch face. Okay, and other details for the watch face of Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.